All right, Cass. Keep walking right. Come on. Mom. Mom. Come on, come on. Come on, Cass. Come on, come on. Go this way. No, no. This way, Cass. Come on, Cass. Mom. Come on, Cassie. Come on, Cassie. Come on. Walk down a couple more alleys to get down to Joseph Campbell. Come on. Come on. Come on, Cassie. Come on. Come on, keep walking. Come on. Come on, come on. Keep going. You're doing fine. Keep walking, Cassie. Come on. Come on, Cassie. Walk down the block more. We're going to make a turn. Okay, Cassie? Come on, Cassie. You're doing fine. We're probably going to make a turn down this alley. I almost want to walk another one down in case I might run into some hard rain thunderstorms. Try to cut it short. Make a turn. Again, close to Captain Fish and Chicken, Captain Jace, and Little Caesars Pizza. On Cass. Me walking down. Yeah, video of me. Just a little video I'm making here walking down Joseph Campbell with the dog. I turn the phone around. Now walking down Joseph Campbell. All right, come on, keep going. What are you doing? Come on. No. Come on, Cassie. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. Oh.